only vegetable dyes or organic dyes are used. Modal is a very special item. It's what is called a man-made fiber. All the floral motifs are in lovely combination of lovely olive green and a beautiful sandalwood color, dark floret and a leaf motif, a lovely geometric pattern, beautiful, with a lovely floral motifs in denim blue and brown combination with lovely copper brown Vanaspathi prints on top. Gorgeous, fantastic rust brown or copper brown is fabulous floral motifs. Beautiful pyramidal motifs. It's fabulous. There's a lovely indigo blue background on which you have this lovely cyan blue motifs, lovely lilac background, lovely mustard yellow flowers throughout the body, forest green and mustard yellow floral and leaf motifs. It's got a very grey reverse printing on the palla. For those of you who are vegan, this is 100% vegan silk. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom lovers. I'm so happy to be meeting you today in this episode of the Avishya Handloom story. As you know, week after week, we keep pointing out to different parts of the country, different types of handlooms, different types of materials, whether it is sarees, salwars, kurtas. We bring to you some very special content from around the country, everything related to handloom, and of course, all the products, the handloom products which we stock in our store, avishya.com online, and in our Avishya store in Alwarpet, Chennai. So today, we are going to be focusing on a very special item which we brought together. This collection we brought for the festive season. It's called Vanaspathi printed Modal silk suit sets. Basically, the printing in this particular collection is Vanaspathi printing, which means that only vegetable dyes or organic dyes are used. So the colors are very beautiful. You have some special shades of red and maroon taken from a substance called madder. You have some lovely yellows which is taken from turmeric. You also have some beautiful blues and greens which really come from indigo. And we have some very stark blacks, right? So very particular, very special colors which are organic, which are taken from vegetable sources. So that's the specialty of Vanaspathi printing. And the next thing is that it is printed on Modal silk fabric. Modal is a very special item. It's what is called a man-made fiber. It's taken from crushed beechwood trees. The beechwood tree is converted into pulp in factories. Beechwood trees are available in plentiful. It's one of the trees which are available throughout the earth in lots of quantities, and it requires to be cut. Those trees are crushed in factories, made into pulp, and the pulp is converted into Modal silk. So that is how it is extracted. Modal silk is very nice. It's got, by nature, it's got a lovely glow, very rich glow. Also, the fall of Modal is much sought after. In fact, in the fashion capitals of the world, like in Milan or Paris or in New York, lots of the latest designs and some of the best designer brands feature some of their fantastic dresses and gowns using Modal silk. So that is the speciality of Modal silk. So here in India now, we are bringing to you lovely Vanaspathi printed Modal silk suit sets in the Indian fashion, with Indian motifs, beautiful traditional motifs, but printed using Vanaspathi printing technique and on Modal silk, which you can make into fabulous suit sets. So I'll take you through these suit sets one by one. I'll start off with one color. We have a large collection, but I'll try and show you as many as I can today. First, we'll start off with this beautiful, very special dark brown color suit set. I'll show you the top. This is the top. So it's really nice. As you can see, there's a deep, rich brown background on which there's a dark black and there's an olive green motif running through. And the flowers, all the floral motifs are a lovely combination of lovely olive green and a beautiful sandalwood color. You see each of these colors, and the leaves are in beautiful olive green. So this is the motif which repeats itself throughout on the top. The way it's combined together, if you can see, if you come closer, show them the colors, the way it works, the way it's printed. This is a specialty of Vanaspathi printing. It will not be 100% sharp. It will be slightly subtle. It will be slightly blurred. That is the specialty of Vanaspathi printing, and that's the beauty of the product. It's something like denim. Denim is never straight and flat color. You'll see the shades and layers in any good denim. So similarly, in Vanaspathi printing, you'll see the layers of printing and beautiful organic dyes. So it's really lovely. This is paired with a lovely dupatta, so which follows similar pattern, right? But the palla is different. It's very gorgeous. Palla of the dupatta. The body of the dupatta follows the same pattern, but the palla is a contrast. It's a beautiful, sensational, again a lovely combination of forest green and leaf green and a little bit of patches of yellowish green as well. Beautiful green. And then there's a dark floret and a leaf motif. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 throughout from top to bottom. And edging on both sides is a lovely floral vines in deep forest green. Again on the background, which is leaf green. And this combines, moves into the center part of the body, which follows the top. So this is the combination in this particular set. It's really stunning, very classy, very elegant combination. So I hope you like this one. And let's let's move on to the next one. Next, we'll move on to this lovely, beautiful, metallic cobalt blue Vanaspathi printed Modal silk top. A lovely geometric pattern, beautiful. It's a combination of squares and triangles put together in a beautiful way with a little bit of monkey motifs. In between, there are 4 clovers in some of them. There are polka dots. There are beautiful rosebud kind of motifs here. So it's very, very traditional, very rich, very traditional, classic Jaipur motifs. But it's done on Modal silk and it's done using vegetable dyes, which is why the Vanaspathi printing is so special. So this is the top. Let's see what the dupatta for this combination looks like. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, this is how the dupatta looks for this. Beautiful, lovely. It's grand, it's beautiful. It's a stark black with a lovely floral motifs in denim blue and brown combination. Beautiful combination. And the palla of the dupatta has got a lovely, very rich copper brown and chocolate brown combination center panel in which there's beautiful denim prints, lovely circular motifs. It's abstract. I really don't know what the artist has thought about, something very special. And on both sides of the central panel, you have beautiful leaf vine motifs on both sides. Running vines, beautiful running vines on both sides. The central panel, this is a very, very lovely panel. And right at the very edge, you have a beautiful denim finish, beautiful blue finish. So this is the combination for this particular top and this dupatta. So let's move on to the next one. This one is really, really nice. The combination, the contrast is beautiful. In this one, I'll open it out for you. Fabulous. It's a nice dark black. Maybe I'll turn it around so that you can see the motifs, or I'll open it out a little more so you can see the whole thing. Beautiful, beautiful motifs. Black with lovely copper brown Vanaspathi prints on top. Lovely motifs. Beautiful. It's like a flower which is just blossomed in the dark black background. On both sides, if you can see, you'll have lovely traditional paisley motifs. And this top is combined with this sensational dupatta. You must see this one. Fabulous dupatta. Fabulous. It's gorgeous. Fantastic rust brown or copper brown is fabulous floral motifs. Fantastic dupatta. And on the edge of the palla of the dupatta has got beautiful traditional motifs. Lovely again in a combination of rust brown and black. These motifs run from top to bottom against a black background. And right at the very edge, you have this lovely 4 clover motif running from top to bottom. In fact, on both sides of the center panel, you have the 4 clover motif. And overall, this really complements the body beautifully. It's a stunning combination, beautiful combination, and this is something which you can actually wear out to a party or a get-together. This will be really, really stunning and sensational. Next, we'll move on to a beautiful, nice, very, very bright and cheerful blue. Beautiful combination of denim and cyan blue. This is the top. Beautiful pyramidal motifs on a dark, beautiful background. Dark denim kind of a background. Beautiful cyan blue triangular motifs all over the body. And in the edges, you have these beautiful polka dots on both sides. And this is combined with this lovely, very subtle, very, very classy dupatta. I'll just open it out for you. Fabulous. Fantastic. Really nice. It combines very well for all the quietness and the minimalism of the top. The dupatta is sensational. It's fabulous. It's a lovely indigo blue background on which you have this lovely cyan blue motifs, floral motifs all over the body. And in the very edge, you have a lovely striped panel. And both sides of the striped panel, you have this beautiful polka dots and one more round of beautiful floral motifs and edged again by polka dots. So overall, the impact is very nice. And you can see actually how it'll combine with the top. It'll be I'll show you from this side. It's really, really nice, the combination of the top and the dupatta. Next, we'll move on to this beautiful purple suit set. I'll just show you the top first. This is how the top looks. Fabulous. It looks gorgeous. Lovely lilac background, light violet or lilac background on which you have beautiful purple flowers which have in the core, the corolla and the edges, you have the beautiful honey brown or mustard brown edging throughout, and leaves are also in the same color. So it's very nice. The combination of this lilac background, the dark purple and this beautiful mustard yellow flowers are having a very, very pretty look. And this has been combined with a really pretty dupatta. I'll just open it out for you. Yes. Fabulous. It's a gorgeous dupatta with this beautiful purple background and lovely mustard yellow flowers throughout the body. And right at the very edge, the palla has got beautiful, lovely, tall floral motifs. It's almost like as if a flower is perched on top of a little tall plant. Beautiful motif. Again, a lilac, light violet or a lilac background for these big, large floral motifs on the side. And on the other side, the same subtle pattern of this side repeats itself. And in the edge, you have these lovely circular motifs, which is finishing off the palla. So overall, it's a very, very nice palla, which goes very nicely along with the top. We'll move on to the next one. Last but not the least, we have a beautiful nice cobalt blue top. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, beautiful, lovely, very, very nice combination. Multiple blues are at play here. There's a background which is a very indigo blue, and there is a dark blue, very, very dark blue. Floral motifs are there, in which there are beautiful, lovely forest green and mustard yellow floral and leaf motifs. So overall, it's very nice, very, very classy and very subtle combination. So let's see how this combines with the dupatta itself. The dupatta is a very strong blue with mustard stripes, wonky stripes, but I'll open it out for you. Let's see how the palla looks for the dupatta. This is how the dupatta would look. It's very nice. It's stunning. It's the way it contrasts with the top is very, very nice. Beautiful wonky stripes running from across the dupatta, entire length of the dupatta. And if you see the edges, the palla itself is very subtle, very beautiful. It's got a very grey print, grey reverse printing on the palla on both sides. Lovely subtle motifs running on both sides. In the center, have this beautiful, this wonky shape running again, mustard yellow or greenish mustard yellow, and these beautiful floral motifs in a row from the top to the bottom. And to finish it off, there's a lovely little row of floral motifs which is there in this edge also. Both edges are there. So overall, it's a very, very classy dupatta, and if you wear it, this is how it would look. So this is how the dupatta would look. Beautiful combination. Now, a few things I wanted to tell you. One is, of course, we saw the entire collection of Modal silks. So the fabric is Modal silk. It's very comfortable. The fall is very nice. It's something which you can wear out to an occasion. It doesn't have the shimmer and shine of silk. It won't look jazzy. It's got a very muted but very matte finish, kind of very rich silk look. It almost has a very rich mulberry silk look, Modal silk. The fall is very nice. It's very light. I've been showing this to you, so you must really, touch and feel this. It's not heavy at all. It's a very, very nice light silk. At the same time, it's not so light that it doesn't have a good fall. The fall is very nice. It's very stable. So it's very, very good. And this is something which you can wear off. The one other thing about Modal silk is that for those of you who are vegan, this is 100% vegan silk. Absolutely no animal cruelty or no animal produce is used in this product. This entire collection of Vanaspathi printed Modal silk suit sets is a vegan collection. So those of you who are particular about buying vegan materials, vegan clothes, this is a 100% vegan collection. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video that we've tried to show you of this new collection. What we brought for the festive season, the Vanaspathi printed Modal silk suit set collection. We brought this together especially for people who love Modal silk, people who are particular about vegan. This will be very, very nice. This collection is available in our store. Our store is at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. Those of you who want to touch, feel and wear this, try it out in our trial room, at least see how it works for you. You can actually come out to the store. I'm sure you'll enjoy seeing the entire collection. What's more, we also have tailoring in our store. Many of you may not know, but the Avishya store at Alwarpet, we have a tailoring unit here, and we also have a designer who sits at the store, but you'll have to make an appointment so that she's available when you walk in. If you come in, we have a designer and she'll be able to help you to plan how to stitch your suit set, the top and the how to plan the whole thing, the styling, all of that. You can do that and we can get it stitched. In fact, you can come back again and pick it up, or we can even get it delivered right to your home. So that's the advantage of buying at our store and from Avishya. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of Vanaspathi printed Modal silk suit sets are available online, so you can go at your leisure, browse around, talk to our customer service staff. Will be available almost 24/7. Ask all your queries and questions, so they will help you select the right option for you. And even online, not just at the store, even online, you can actually choose to get your suit set stitched. You just have to give your measurements. We have a standard form for taking your measurements, so it happens very professionally, very efficiently, and you can get it completely stitched and delivered right to your home. Right, so I really hope you enjoyed seeing this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. And if you really like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notified of every new video of ours. So I really hope that you keep following us and keep getting notified about everything. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please of course drop your comments in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer all your queries and questions. Anything you want to know about the quality, the price, anything that you want to know, please drop your comments in the comment section below. We'll be very, very happy to hear from you. Even if it's just a simple, lovely video, we want more of this, or we want something like this. If you have any suggestions on what kinds of videos we should make, also please put your suggestions in the comments box. We'll be definitely going through it and getting back to you. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.